Good morning, I am Rakshita Shankar and I have chosen the topic the women's security. Today I like to share my real story of my life. I was going to a private school which was far away from the locality. Usually private schools have their buildings out of the cities due to insufficient place and also to provide peace to the surroundings for the welfare of the students. And some students like me who use bicycles to travel to school due to financial status. One day when I was returning home, I come across ragging and ill-treating by a strange boys. I informed my parents and then they shifted me to the another school and I also started traveling in a school bus for my secure. I shared my problems and it got solved, but some girls who refused and afraid to share these problems to others. This behavior can lead to more number of sexual harassments. And some girls, guys, I have heard about girls who are facing these problems at a tender age of 3 years to as old as 60 years. You can see this picture wherein a girl is abused by a man. And you can see this picture wherein a girl is mercilessly treated by men. And this is the graph of the majority of a young woman has been sexually harassed. About 18 to 24 years old girls are sexually harassed about 52%. And this is the percentage of a woman who suffered rape in cities. In Thailand and India, about 9% of women are sexually harassed. To overcome this, I feel we should work in a community and also take the help of the government. Teachers should teach the good touch and the bad touch, I mean the safe and the unsafe touch to this, and also about how to handle the strangers. In the society, I want boys and girls to be treated equally. This should be done from the childhood. Parents and teachers should not differentiate between them. This big picture shows a family wherein a girl baby and a boy baby are there, where there is no any discrimination for a girl baby. These pictures or images says that there is a co-education where there is no any differentiate between a boy student and a girl student. There should be a quite modification in the education system. There is only the content or the study of the reproductive organ, same as how we study the human body. There should be much more knowledge to the student and also build awareness regarding these abuses. When these changes are made in the education system, each and every student can provide security for themselves. Every boy and a girl should get equal opportunities in all the fields because everybody are humans. So they can easily face the problems and also can do the work. In schools, karate, martial arts, gymnastics should be implemented. It should be also a part of an education. These are some pictures wherein karate and martial arts and gymnastics are implemented in some schools. So, how to create awareness to the surroundings? Giving security coaching classes for women. Government should implement the strict laws and should bring awareness to the men not to involve in illegal activities. For educated people, schools and coaching classes bring awareness. For uneducated people, by the help of TV, radio and social media, we can enrich their knowledge. And these are some pics where coaching classes had already given to a woman for their security. And these are some strict laws implemented on women's security. As we have the right to freedom, girls can raise their voice against harassments. Being a 18 years old girl, I can change myself the way of living in the society. Why can't you guys? Earlier, men used to go out to earn money in all sectors. But now, even girls can go out to earn money in all sectors such as banking, teaching, etc. Usually, men used to lead a family and take take major decisions, but the trend had changed. Even girls can lead a family and take the major decisions. Cooking and dressing up a child is not only the work of a woman, it can also be done by a man. These are the images wherein girls are working in all the sectors. So I like to conclude that there is no any work particularly specified to a man and a woman. Each and every work can be done by both. So to achieve it, we cannot all succeed when half of us are held back. We should call upon our sisters around the world to be brave, to embrace the strength within themselves and realize their full potential. I wish we all join our hands and form a committee and raise our voice against harassment and get secured. Thank you.